Electricity is back on for most Texas residents, but the winter blast has now left millions with unprecedented storm damage. Massive electricity bills, broken water pipes, and flooding is expected to cause huge insurance claims and could leave many in financial turmoil.
Keller Williams has created, you and our partners have created. That supersedes so many things that are out there. And when you have a foundation that's built as solidly about how we work together and how we treat one another, every brand can make the transformation against the tech player of the future and those things if they start out with, we're not going to compromise our core beliefs. In fact, we're going to build on top of them.
That's right.
We're going to make them stronger.
Yeah, that's right.
Because we're going to have change, and change is hard. But because we have a belief system, we have something to fall back on. And when companies don't have that, they can't make this transformation to be a technology company.